Hello friends, today's tech update is wild. We're diving into how 1Password has just integrated their new OpenAI Codex tool to further secure your coding agents. This might not seem like a huge deal at first, but trust me, it's going to change the way you think about online security. Why does this matter right now? Well, our digital lives are more interconnected than ever before. As we increasingly rely on technology for everything from banking to shopping to voting, it's become more important than ever to have strong passwords and secure login methods. And that's where 1Password comes in. They're one of the leading password managers out there. Now let me break this down for you. What is 1Password? It's an app that helps manage your passwords across multiple devices. Instead of trying to remember a million different usernames and passwords, you just need to remember one master password to access all your accounts, which is way more secure than using the same password for everything. And what's this new OpenAI Codex tool they've integrated? Well, it's essentially an AI-powered password generator that can create complex, unique passwords on the fly. So instead of relying on predictable combinations like password 123 or QWERTY, your 1Password generated codes will be something like S3CR3TP at SSW0RD_345. But wait, there's more. This new integration also allows for real-time feedback on the strength of generated passwords. So if you're creating a password that's too short or doesn't include enough special characters, it'll let you know right away and help you craft something stronger. Now here's an example of how this could work in practice. Let's say you're signing up for a new online shopping account. Normally, you'd have to come up with a unique username and password combination, which is not only time-consuming but also increases the risk of your accounts getting hacked. But with 1Password's OpenAI Codex integration, it'll automatically generate a strong, unique password for you that meets all the security requirements. And if you're ever concerned about how secure your passwords are, just let the app do its thing and provide real-time feedback on the strength of generated passwords. Of course, there might be some confusion around this topic, like why we need another tool for generating strong passwords when there are already plenty out there. Well, the difference here is that OpenAI Codex uses AI-powered password generation, which means it's constantly learning from your previous habits and adjusting its output accordingly. This makes it much more effective at creating truly unique and secure passwords than some of its predecessors. So let's wrap this up. If you're someone who needs to manage multiple online accounts, whether for work or personal reasons, then 1Password's OpenAI Codex integration is a game changer. It helps you create strong, unique passwords on the fly while also giving real-time feedback on their strength. And in an age where cyber threats are becoming increasingly common, having that extra layer of security could mean all the difference. One practical tip is to test 1Password secures coding agents with new OpenAI Codex integration on a small real task before rolling it out everywhere. Another thing most people miss is that clear process beats clever shortcuts in the long run. If you document each step and outcome, it becomes much easier to scale what works and avoid repeating mistakes. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what other tech updates you'd like me to cover.